In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge two tables in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So as you can see here, I have two tables, but I wish to go ahead and make them into one. To do this, it's pretty simple. First, go ahead and click on this space between the two tables. Ideally, when two tables are split, Microsoft will always add a paragraph space between the two tables. To mark this, go ahead and click on this icon for show and hide table. Once you have clicked on it, now go ahead and press the delete icon on your keyboard to delete the space between the two. Make sure you use the delete icon on your keyboard and not the backspace. From here, go ahead again and click on this icon to show and hide the marks under the table tools, and this will go ahead and merge the two tables. So that's how you can merge two tables in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.